Today I am making granola. And this is my favorite homemade granola recipe ever. And it's pretty easy, pretty quick. We start with 4 cups of rolled oats. You're just gonna throw everything into the bowl. We're doing 1/4 cup of pepitas. Another thing that I love about granola is it is a healthy addition to your day. Healthy fats, a lot of fiber, doing great things for your body. I'm using 1 cup of nuts, and I have almonds, pecans, and pistachios. I forgot what that third one was. And now we're going to use 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You only want sea salt in your home, and I even encourage people to have a little thing of sea salt you put in your purse when you go out to eat. You still get sea salt. Or you can eat at places that only use sea salt, and then that means that their food there is probably a little healthier than most. We're just going to give this a toss to get that well incorporated. Okay, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and I use unrefined, cold pressed. I love the flavor. I think it adds a lot to it. 1/2 cup of maple syrup. You can also use honey. Maple syrup is a better sugar alternative because it still has nutrients. It's one of my favorites. 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I don't have this in my original recipe, but today I am going to add coconut. A lot of times I make granola and I give it to my clients, and some people don't like coconut. So typically I don't make it that way, but today it's all for me and Tracy. You can also add your favorite dried fruits if you'd like. Okay, I'm just going to get my hands in here because I want to make sure everything is really coated with that maple syrup and coconut oil, getting it all the way down at the bottom. Okay, I think that's good because we can do a little bit more of a toss on the baking sheet. Let me wash my hand. Okay. I did oil my pan. I just used some spray, organic coconut spray. Last time I used parchment paper, the parchment paper burned, and I don't want that. So there are so many things that you can do with granola. You can top your smoothie bowl. I love to do that, that's fun. And today we're going to be making a cereal topped with some beautiful fruits, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. But first we got to get this thing to cooking. Spread it out. I like mine nice and toasty. We're gonna put it in the oven, 350 for 20 minutes, but halfway through I'm gonna give it a little stir. All right, it's ready to go in. Set that timer, 10 minutes. All right. So the granola is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of the oven, and then we're gonna sprinkle it with the papaya. And I tell you right now, it is smelling good up in here. Sprinkle on that papaya. This is gonna be fun. I haven't tried this before, but I love dried papaya. Yum. Give Give that a toss. And now it's time to throw together the cereal. I am so hungry. I haven't had breakfast this morning because I have been waiting on this. All right, it's time to make the cereal. We're gonna plate that up real quick. Granola in the bottom of your bowl. This is so fun. And if you want cereal, this is the kind of thing you want to grab for because it actually has nutrients. Most of the stuff that you buy in the grocery store is dead when you get it. It's not nourishing your body. Even though it has that list of vitamins on there, they're enriched and your body does not handle that the same way as this. Full of great things. We're gonna layer some of these beautiful fruits on here. Start with some banana. And some kiwi. You can top it with whatever fruits you like. Berries would be great in here as well. Trying to go for the bite size. I'm gonna have to cut the rest of these. Where did it go? Man down. Don't want to miss any of that. Gotta take a bite. Mango. Beautiful. And now we're gonna top it. Give it a little superfood boost with some chia seeds. So we can laugh at each other later when it's stuck in our teeth. A glaze of almond butter. Ooh, talk about some healthy fats. Holy cow, this is macro rich in fiber. Many need to stop counting calories and just make the calories that you eat count. That's where it's at. Good calories don't make you fat. And now for a little drizzle of honey. And I made cashew milk this morning, so that's what's going in here. One for you, and one for me. Look at that. Try it. Let me know what you think. Something new and delicious. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.